Big news from Microsoft. They've just rolled out Copilot Mode inside the Edge browser. And if you've been wondering when browsing would finally feel intelligent instead of overwhelming, this might be the turning point. Think about it. Every day we juggle dozens of tabs, half-finished searches, and endless back-and-forth clicks. Microsoft's Copilot Mode promises to change that. Using AI, it can organize your browsing into topic-based queries, compare results across all your open tabs, and even let you navigate with your voice. No more clicking around like it's 2010. And here's the kicker, it's not just about search. Microsoft says Copilot will eventually be able to tap into your browsing history and even your credentials, if you give permission, to handle tasks like making bookings or managing errands. In other words, your browser might start acting more like an actual assistant than a passive tool. But here's the bigger picture. Microsoft is racing against competitors like Perplexity AI, which launched its Comet browser, and OpenAI, which is quietly building its own. Google's already reported higher engagement with its own AI mode. The browser war just turned into an AI arms race, and Edge is Microsoft's bet to stay in the game. If you're finding this breakdown useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear if you'd trust an AI browser to access your history and credentials, or if that's a step too far. For now, Microsoft's Copilot Mode will be free on Windows and Mac for a limited time, and users can opt out anytime in Settings. You'll also see visual cues, so you know exactly when Copilot is active in the background. So here's the takeaway. Browsing is no longer just about finding information. It's about what your AI can do with it. That's a massive shift in how we'll all interact with the web. Thanks for watching. And if you want to dive deeper, check out the related video in the corner. See you next time, and don't just browse the future, build with it.